So we are with the uh, bolted connection. So I will write very fast. So under the bolted connection, we have started the type 1. So that is type 1 is the load carrying capacity. So under the load carrying capacity, we have to see the design procedure. So now design procedure for this load carrying capacity. So under the load carrying capacity, we have to see the design procedure first. So under this design procedure, we have to solve various steps. So step 1. So step 1 is calculate diameter of bolt hole. So diameter of bolt hole is denoted by dh. So dh we can calculate by d naught plus 1 if d naught is less than or equal to 14 mm. Then dh is equal to d naught plus 2 when if d naught is greater than or equal to 16 mm up to 24 mm. And then dh, third condition is dh is equal to d naught plus 3. How to calculate d naught plus 3? If d naught is greater than 24 mm. So in this three ways we can calculate the diameter of bolt hole. Now step 2. Step 2. What is step 2 we have to do under the load carrying capacity? So we have to calculate in step 2, calculate pitch distance,
Sir,
calculate. Yeah.
D naught means diameter of the bolt, na?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
D naught is the diameter of bolt and dh is the diameter of bolt hole. Or d naught is we can call as a nominal diameter or diameter of bolt. So in second step we have to calculate pitch distance and edge distance. We have to follow this simply the procedure, then we can calculate the load carrying capacity of the bolt. Okay, now we have to calculate the pitch distance. Okay, so as we have discussed in the last lecture how to calculate pitch distance and edge distance. So now what is pitch and what is edge distance that we have seen in the last lecture. So here if I draw this sketch, so this is nothing but pitch distance and edge distance. This is the E, edge distance, if two plates connected by bolt. So pitch distance, P is equal to, what is formula for pitch distance we have seen?
2.5 into D naught.
2.5 times D naught or D we can call. And edge distance E is equal to
1.5 times D naught.
1.5 times DH. Please remember, for pitch distance, nominal diameter we have to use, and for edge distance, diameter of bolt hole we have to use. In edge distance, DH we have to calculate, we have to consider, and pitch distance, D naught we have to consider. So please remember this. Got it? So here step number 2 is over, that we have seen in the last 2 lectures. So next step. Then step number 3. Next step, step number 3. So in step number 3, we have to calculate design shear strength. Calculate design shear strength of bolt. Shear strength of bolt. What is denoted by shear strength of bolt? VDSB. Yesterday we have seen this. VDSB, shear strength of bolt, is equal to N into NB into FUB divided by under root of 3 gamma MB. Those who are absent for yesterday's lecture, they can maybe they don't know we have covered this part. So as I have told you initially, you have to attend all lectures sincerely. Then and then, if you miss one lecture, then next lecture what will happen, you will not get, or you will not understand. So you have to attend the design of steel structure subject, the subject lectures you have to attend sincerely and without missing. So VDSB is equal to N into NB. We have seen this formula. So again, where N is equal to, what is N? Small n,
Number of shears plane.
number of shear planes. Number of shear planes. Then NB. NB is the net
Of bearing.
net area of bolt. Net area of bolt. Net area means we have provided threads to the bolt. That threads we have, the area of threads we have to deduct. So that we called as a net. Then FUB. FUB is the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt. And gamma MB is the partial safety factor. Everyone please write down this. This is the procedure for solving the problems under the category of load carrying capacity of bolt. This is the step number 3. Now step 4. Step 4 is the calculate design bearing strength. Design bearing strength of bolt. So design bearing strength of bolt, VDPB. We have seen formula. VDPB is equal to 2.5 times KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma MB. So what is KB? So we have to calculate here KB.
Sir,
Yeah.
मागचं राईट करायचं राहिले.
Yeah, right. So again, I am telling you, this is not a theoretical subject which you can read and learn for your examination. This is a numerical subject. Without, if you are not writing, if you are not solving these examples, you will not get anything. So please attend all the lectures again sincerely henceforth. In the first lecture, first topic, we have covered general, but this time onwards you have to attend all the lectures sincerely. So in step number 4, we have to calculate design bearing strength of bolt. So over.
Yes, sir.
So then, as you can see the formula, VDPB is equal to 2.5 times KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma MB. So now what there, KB is one of the factors. So KB is the list of E divided by 3D naught or P divided by 3D naught minus 0.25 or FUB divided by FU and 1. So smallest of these four, list of KB is value of KB, how to calculate? E divided by 3D naught, P divided by 3D naught minus 0.25, FUB divided by FU and 1. So out of these four, whatever the minimum value, that value we have to take as a KB. Then D, small d is the nominal diameter of bolt, or D naught we are saying, nominal diameter. So see, D or D naught, D or do not, two words, these notations are same. So nominal diameter of bolt. Sometimes in formula they have given D, that is nothing but D naught. Then T, thickness of plate. T is the thickness of plate, or we can tell thickness of main plate. Thickness of main plate. Then T is over again FU. What is FU? FU is the ultimate
Tensile
strength. Ultimate tensile strength. FUB या ठिकाणी FUB असेल तर ती अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ बोल्ट असते.
बोल्ट आणि प्लेट वर
आणि जर FU फक्त नुसती म्हणजे काय, तर अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ प्लेट असते. दिस इज फॉर प्लेट, म्हणजे जे मटेरियल आपण वापरलं, स्टील जे वापरलेलं आहे प्लेटसाठी, दॅट इज दी अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दी प्लेट अँड अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दी बोल्ट. टू थिंग्स आर डिफरंट. आणि हे म्हणजेच काय, हे डिपेंड्स अपॉन ग्रेड आहे. तर ग्रेड आपल्या जे अवेलेबल आहे 410, 440, FE 500 or FE 550. So these grades of steel available in market. So FE 41 steel is there, FU value is 410 Newton per mm square. If FE 440 steel is there, then FU value is 440 Newton per mm square, like this, and that given in problem statement, don't worry. And gamma MB again 1.25. So this is the step number 4.
सर केबीचे आहे ते परत एकदा वाचता का जरा, शेवटचं कळत नाहीये केबीचं.
Just a minute. I will repeat once again how to calculate KB. Repeat करायचं ना?
Yes sir.
KB is the factor used in the your design bearing strength of the bolt formula. So KB is calculated by E divided by 3D naught, or we can calculate KB P divided by 3 D naught minus 0.25 or FUB divided by FU and 4. चारही पद्धतीने KB ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आणि ह्यातली जी लिस्ट आहे, लिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम ऑफ दिस 4, या चारी मध्ये जी मिनिमम असेल ती व्हॅल्यू आपण फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये या ठिकाणी.
सर ते अँड पुढे काय राईट केलंय?
and 1.0.
ओके सर.
one value is there. These all values are less than 1. हे सगळ्या लेस दॅन 1 येतात, किंवा जर 1 लेस असेल तर, म्हणजे एक मिनिमम मॅक्झिमम आपल्याला 1 व्हॅल्यू केबी ची वापरायची आहे. मॅक्सिमम व्हॅन व्हॅल्यू वापरायची आहे आणि बाकीच्या व्हॅल्यू सुद्धा लेस दॅन 1 आल्या तर ठीक आहे, नाहीतर 1 ही मॅक्सिमम वापरायचे. म्हणजे दिस इज द फॅक्टर. So E we have calculated in step number 2. P we have calculated in step number 2. FU we know, FU we know. So we can calculate this all. And whichever is minimum, 1, 2, 3 and 4. या चारीतली जी minimum असेल, that value we have to take from this formula. What it?
Yes, sir.
Then step 5. Next step, step number 5. So step number 5 is the calculate tensile strength. Calculate tensile strength of the. We have calculated tensile strength of bolt or plate
Bolt.
in the load carrying capacity. Bolt ची काढली होती का?
Yes, sir.
So bolt ची load carrying capacity we have calculated by the formula TDB. So formula for TDB. Just minute.
Point 9 into FUB into ANB.
0.9 into
FUV,
FUB ANB.
ANB,
A and B divided by
gamma
MB.
Gamma.
MB. Why is that?
Okay, so here we know FUB again, ultimate tensile strength of the bolt. Tensile strength of the bolt. Then A and B also we know. Net area. Net area of bolt. So how to calculate net area of bolt? 0.78 into
Pi by
pi
4
by 4 into d
into
square.
this square.
D square or d naught square. D or d naught is the nominal diameter of the bolt, and gamma MB is the 1.25.
25.
Just a minute. So these are the, this is the step number 5. Okay, so this is the step number 5. Now step number 6. Step number 6 is the design strength of the bolt. Design strength of the bolt. It means minimum of out of these three strengths. The design strength of the bolt means what? The minimum of design strength in shear comma bearing and tensile. या तिन्ही मधली जी मिनिमम असेल ती म्हणजे त्या बोल्टची डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ असेल. म्हणजे मिनिमम स्ट्रेंथ म्हणजे काय, या तिन्हीतली जी मिनिमम असेल त्या मिनिमम लोड, तेवढा मिनिमम लोड आला की तो बोल्ट फेल होणार. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी त्या लोडला आपल्याला तो बोल्ट सेफ असायला पाहिजे, तिथपर्यंतच लोड तो बोल्ट घेणार. डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ मीन्स दॅट मिनिमम लोड बोल्ट कॅन तेवढा लोड तो बोल्ट घेणार आहे. सो दॅट इज दी मिनिमम design strength, that is the design strength of bolt, and that how to know that the minimum of shear, bear and tensile. Got it everyone? Okay.
Sir.
Just a minute now. We will see. And again, in step number 7, we have to calculate efficiency of joint. Efficiency of joint. So efficiency of joint, how to calculate? So efficiency of joint is equal to efficiency of joint is equal to design strength of bolt divided by I think last formula whatever we have given, so something changes there, you can correct if you have written the design efficiency of joint is equal to design strength of bolt divided by strength of solid plate into 100. If you have written earlier this formula, last lecture we have written, so please correct this formula. Efficiency of joint is equal to design strength of bolt divided by strength of solid plate. So where is design strength of bolt? कुठे आहे? Where this we have calculated design strength of bolt in step number 6. Step number 6 is showing minimum of shear, bearing and tensile is the design strength divided by strength of solid plate. So how to calculate strength of solid plate? So strength of solid plate is equal to we have to write down now formula 0.9 into Fu divided by under root of gamma m1 into P into T. P into T. Now where P is equal to pitch, that pitch is calculated we have calculated that pitch earlier. Just a minute.
.5 DO.
No, wait. So for efficiency, we have to calculate pitch in different way. Earlier, we have calculated pitch by using which formula? 2.5 into
D.
D naught, correct? 2.5 into D naught. So pitch, okay, good pitch, pitch distance, and then T, small t is here important. Small t is the here minimum thickness of main plate, minimum thickness of main plate. So minimum thickness of main plate, it means what? Suppose we have connected here two plates like this. This plate having 10 mm diameter and width, and this plate having 8 mm thickness. So then which plate diameter we have to, which plate width thickness we have to take here?
8 mm.
8 mm. These are the two main plate, and then we are providing cover plates. So we have to take thickness of main plate. जिथं जिथं टी असतो त्या ठिकाणी मेन प्लेटची थिकनेस, कारण का मेन प्लेट ह्या आपण कनेक्शन साठी वापरल्या असतात, त्याला त्या मेन प्लेटला कव्हर प्लेट ह्या सपोर्टिंग असतात. त्या सपोर्टिंग कशासाठी असतात? या दोन प्लेटला मेन प्लेटला नंबर 1 आणि नंबर 2 मेन प्लेटला कनेक्टिंग करण्यासाठी कव्हर प्लेट्स असतात. त्यामुळे कव्हर प्लेटची थिकनेस घ्यायची नाही. थिकनेस ही कुठेही टी जिथं येतो त्या ठिकाणी थिकनेस ही मेन प्लेटची घ्यायची. जनरली दिस मेन प्लेट्स आर सेम साइज, बट आउट ऑफ दिस टू जर जी थिकनेस कमी असेल ती थिकनेस घ्यायची, म्हणजे त्या थिकनेसला आपण ते डिझाईन करतो असे मिनिंग होतं. कमीत कमी थिकनेसला अगोदर फेल कुठले प्लेट होणार हो? जर फेल्युअर झालं तर 8 mm ची होणार की 10 mm ची होणार?
8 mm.
8 mm ची अगोदर होणार, कारण की ज्याची थिकनेस कमी त्याचं फेल्युअर अगोदर होणार. मग ज्यावेळी स्ट्रेंथ कॅल्क्युलेट करतो त्यावेळी कन्सिडरेशन कशाचं करायला पाहिजे आपल्याला? 8 चं करायला पाहिजे. मिनिममचं केलं की ऑब्विसली 10 जास्त घेणारच आहे लोड. कन्सिडरेशन मिनिममचं करायचं. मिनिमम म्हणजे फक्त कोणत्या मेन प्लेट बद्दल बोलतोय मी, कव्हर प्लेटचं कन्सिडरेशन थिकनेस मध्ये करायचं नाही, त्या ठिकाणी टी येतोय तिथं. ह्या गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवा. मेन जी प्लेट आहे त्या प्लेटचं कन्सिडरेशन करायचं. ओके, so that I have written here minimum thickness of the main plate. So don't consider here thickness of cover plate. Okay, and next is the gamma m1. So next factor gamma m1 is there. Till now we have seen gamma mb. So gamma m1, again value for the gamma m1 is a 1.25 we have seen, and this is given in also IS code also. So तुमचं पाठ होऊन जाईल. gamma m1 आता 1.25 आहे. Till the end of the syllabus this gamma m1 value is 1.25. So in this way we have to calculate the load carrying capacity of the bolted connection. Got it everyone? Procedure this. Now we will see the example on this procedure. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
We have to
Yes.
solve now these 7 steps. That's it for the load carrying capacity of bolted connection. Okay, so now we will see the example. Okay, so see first example. So example number 1. On the load carrying capacity. So write down everyone. Calculate the strength. Calculate the strength of 20 mm diameter. Calculate the strength of 20 mm diameter. 20 mm diameter bolt of grade 4.6. Calculate the strength of 20 mm diameter bolt of grade 4.6 for the lap joint. For the lap joint. Full stop. The main plates to be joined are 12 mm thick. Full stop. Use Fe410 steel. Use Fe410 steel. So this is the problem statement for load carrying capacity. Okay. What is given? If you read the problem statement, I am requesting everyone, each and everyone, read the problem statement. Calculate the strength. Calculate the strength.
D.
Calculate the strength means what we have to calculate? All strength we have to calculate here. So calculate the strength of 20 mm diameter bolt of grade 4.6 for the lap joint. The main plates to be joined are 12 mm thick. So use Fe410 steel. Okay. So now we have to solve this problem. It means we have to calculate the load carrying capacity. Calculate strength. It means we have to calculate load carrying capacity. Okay. So simply we have to follow the procedure. So before that we will see what data given. What is data given?
D is equal to 20 mm.
Good. D is equal to 20 mm they have given. Sorry, just a minute. So D so here I will write given data. So D or D naught is equal to 20 mm given, correct? Then
Grade 4.
grade of bolt is given. Grade
F.
of bolt is given. So grade of bolt is given 4.6. Means what is given?
400 Newton per
No,
mm.
what is unit for this? Grade of bolt. It means what required?
FU.
FU.
FUB.
FUB. So FUB here, FUB is depends on the grade of bolt. So FUB for 4.6 grade bolt is 400 Newton per mm square. So now you should go in the IS code for this table. Bolted connection चा grade of bolt चा जो काय IS code मध्ये टेबल आहे त्या टेबल वरती आता तुम्हाला जावं लागतंय. So that you required IS code in front of you. And for this grade of bolt, 400 Newton per mm square is the ultimate tensile strength of this bolt. Then what is given? Again,
FU.
FU is nothing but
For
means they have given
410.
they have given FE410. FE410 they have given, it means they have given FU is equal to FU is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. FU is the ultimate tensile strength of the plate and FUB is the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt. These two things please remember. बोल्टची अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ आपण ग्रेड ऑफ बोल्ट वरनं काढतो, बरोबर आहे, आणि प्लेटची अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ आपण कशावरून काढतो, ग्रेड ऑफ स्टील वरून काढतो. आर यू गेटिंग? Here grade of steel Fe410 is given, grade of bolt is 4.6 is given. So these all the values are given in the IS code. IS code मध्ये दिलेले आहे. Fe410 साठी अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ फॉर स्टील म्हणजे FU 410 दिलेले आहे. 4.6 ग्रेड बोल्ट साठी FUB 400 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वेअर दिलेली आहे. And then one more is given, that is what? Thickness of plate. Thickness of plate is given, that is T is given. How much? 12 mm. One more thing is given. What is given? Without this we cannot go ahead.
Lap
P-
joint.
Good. Lap joint. Without joint we cannot go for the calculation of strength. जर जॉइंटच कुठलाही माहित नाही तर स्ट्रेंथ कशी कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? Whether this is lap joint or whether this is butt joint. So this is the lap joint. So lap joint is given. So this much data is given. Everyone got it? We have collected this data from the problem statement. This is the given data for us. Okay, so now solution. Solution, it means what we have to do now? Now we have to follow the procedures. Okay, so step 1. As per procedure given in the, we have seen in the last 2 slides. Step 1. What is step 1?
Calculate DH.
Calculate diameter of bolt hole. Calculate diameter of bolt hole is nothing but DH. So now DH is equal to which condition we have to consider here? DH is equal to D naught plus 1. DH is equal to D naught plus 2.
Second number.
Second. Why second number?
Because the D is equal to 20 mm.
D plus D naught plus 1, 2 or 3 that we have to use here. But the conditions are there. Why we have to use 1? If the diameter of bolt less than 14 mm. When we will use 2? If the diameter of bolt greater than 16 and up to the 24 mm. It means diameter of bolt in the problem statement given 20 mm. It means the range of diameter is from
60 mm to 24 mm.
16 mm to 24 mm. It means we have to add here 2. Everyone got it this? This is very important. सर्वांच्या लक्षात आलं का? So D naught is 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2. So is equal to 22 mm is the diameter of bolt hole. Step number 1 is over. Step number 1 is over. So before that we can draw the sketch also, but we will draw the sketch in step number 2. Okay. So now step number 1 is over. Step 2. Something disturbance is there. Other, please mute yourself. Those who have unmute yourself, please mute. Okay. What is step 2 now? Calculate
Pitch distance and edge distance.
pitch and edge distance. So here we have to draw the sketch. See, they have given lap joint, they have given lap joint, and we have to use the bolt here. Thickness is 12 mm is given for the plate. So now we have to calculate pitch distance. P is equal to what? 2.5 times 2.5 times
D naught.
D naught. So 2.5 times D naught is equal to, so 2.5 into D naught is here
20.
20.
20 mm. So it means this answer is 50 mm. So similar calculate. So this is your pitch distance. Now calculate edge distance. Edge distance is equal to small.
कंपल्सरी आहे का?
स्केच काढायलाच पाहिजे. विदाउट स्केच हाऊ यू, एकतर इनिशियली काढा, प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट लिहिल्या सोल्युशन स्टार्ट करताना स्केच काढा. अदरवाइज वेअर दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड देअर यू कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट.
ओके सर.
या ठिकाणी आता नंबर ऑफ बोर्ड्स दिलेले नाहीत, त्याच्यामुळे मी एक्झॅक्टली आता इथे समजा मी असंही स्केच काढू शकलो असतो. समजा मला म्हटले असले की 4 बोर्ड यूज केलेत, सो दिस वे आय कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट. हिअर दिस इज पिच, दिस इज edge distance, but here number of bolts are not given. That's why I have draw this simple sketch, because this is the they have given no which joint is there, how much size is there for the plate they have given, so you have to draw the sketch. If you are writing theory examination, if you draw the sketch, your examiner when checking your answer sheet, he will be happy, or he will know the student got this lap joint is there, how to calculate, how to draw lap joint. So that the sketch is important. Hardly 1 minute is required. So if sketch is there, you will get full mark. So sketch is very important in every problem. So 1.5 into here dh, correct? So 1.5 into dh
22.
22.
22, so it is 33 mm. So we have calculated edge distance and pitch distance in step number 2. So now we have to go for step number 3. So step 3. What is step 3? Calculate
Shear
Shear
bolt.
strength bolt.
calculate design shear strength. Design shear strength of bolt. So that is VDSB is equal to N into NB into FUB divided by gamma MB. अंडर रूट है ना, अंडर रूट gamma mb. So now here number of shear planes. N is the number of shear planes. So here only two plates we have connected by the lap joint. Joint is very important. Lap joint. It means lap joint means two plates we have connected each other by this condition. This is the lap joint. So how many shear planes are there here? Here
1.
One.
one. So here one n is equal to 1. Why? If this plate goes in this direction and bottom plate goes in this direction, then what will happen? Your bolt will fail in this plane only. Only one plane for the failure of bolt. See, I have shown in the red color here. Only one plane for the failure of shear. So n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1. Then nb. So now we have to calculate nb. So here n is equal to 1. nb is the 0.78 into pi by 4 into d square. So 0.78 into what is the diameter of bolt or nominal diameter of bolt is
20.
20 mm. So how much net area of bolt can be?
245.044.
24
5.044.
042 area in mm square because 20 mm diameter is there. So 245.04 mm square is the ANB. Now FUB is known, gamma MB is known. Now you can calculate. So VDSB is equal to 1 into 245.04 into FUB is 400. We have written in given data. Under root of 3 into gamma MB is again 1.25. So calculate the strength.
4.45.27 into 10 raised to 3.
45.27
7.
into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Correct. Why Newton? Strength is in Newton or kilonewton, but this is here. You can see here calculations. Area here, area is in mm square. Correct. This area is in mm square into this 400. Unit of this 400
Newton per mm square.
Newton per mm square. It means what? This mm square get cancelled. So your strength is in Newton, or you can write
4527 kilonewton.
good, or you can write 45.27 kilonewton. This 400 is the stress in Newton per mm square, and here area is in mm square. So mm square get cancelled. So your strength is in Newton, or you can convert into kilonewton. Got it, everyone? Have you written this whole step? It's over. Everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
Okay. Okay. So we will go now next. That is step number 4. So step number 4 is calculate, design, bearing strength, calculate, design, bearing strength of bolt. So that is VDPB is equal to 2.5 times KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma MB. Okay, so now we have to calculate KB factor here. So KB. So now KB is list of, we have seen KB is a value of list of E divided by 3D naught.
P divided by
3D
3D
naught.
naught.
So E we have calculated. So E is a 33 divided by 3 into D naught. D naught means nominal diameter. This is again 22. Sorry, 20. 20. So what is
0.55.
0.55? Then second, P divided by 3D naught minus 0.25 is equal to pitch distance we have calculated
50.
minus 0.25.
0.58.
I will go slow because some of our friends are doing calculations. Please everyone do the calculation, don't copy. So you have to do own calculations. तुम्हाला स्वतः calculations करणं गरजेचं आहे. Those who have completed, you can go, you know next what we have to do. So third is the FU divided by FU. So FU is 400 divided by FU 410.
0.975.
0.975, and last is 1. Correct? So out of these 4 now, first is 0.55, second is 0.58, third is 0.975, and fourth is 1. So list of these 4. What is KB now?
0.55.
0.55.
So 0.55 is the value of KB. 0.55 is the value of KB. So shall I go next? So these 4 calculations we have to do, and after these four calculations, the minimum value of this out of 4 or least or minimum is the value of KB. So KB value we got 0.55. Shall I go next? Okay. So now VDPB is equal to 2.5 into KB value we got 0.55 into D. You can write here. This is the D TFU. D is the here small d. What is small d?
20.
Small d is nothing but D म्हणजे काय?
Diameter.
Nominal diameter. Now here T is the thickness of plate. T is the thickness of plate. Okay. So now D, diameter of bolt is 20. Thickness of plate is given in problem statement. How much?
12
12
mm.
mm. Then FU, what is value of FU?
410.
410 divided by gamma MB is again 1.25. So now do the calculation.
It's 108.24 kilonewton.
108.24
24 kilonewton.
into 10 raised to 3 Newton and 108.24 kilonewton, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is the bearing strength. So shear strength we got 45 kilonewton. This strength we got 108 kilonewton. So we have to go next. That is step number 5. Step number 5 is calculate design tensile strength. Design tensile strength of the bolt. So that is TDB. The formula is 0.9 into FUB into ANB divided by gamma M we have written here gamma MB. Okay, so all things we know, so we can directly put the answers. 0.9 FUB how much?
400.
Then ANB we have calculated in step number I think 3. शेअर मध्ये आपण ANB कॅल्क्युलेट केलाय, किती आला होता?
245.
245.4 divided by gamma MB. How much gamma MB? Again 1.25. So how much?
70.571 kilonewton.
70.57
1 kilonewton.
1 means 10 raised to 3 Newton and 70.57 kilonewton. Okay. Everyone getting this? येते का लक्षात सर्वांच्या? आपण काय कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करतोय, स्ट्रेंथ कशा पद्धतीने कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय बोलच्या? Okay. So step number 5 is the calculate design tensile strength, and for calculation of design strength, in calculation of design tensile strength, we have calculated the strength and we got the strength for the tensile is the 70.57 kilonewton. Okay, shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Then next step number 6. Step number 6 is design strength of bolt. Design strength of bolt. So in step number 3, 4 and 5, we have calculated design strength of shear in shearing, design strength in bearing, and design strength in tensile. We have calculated. But so minimum of these 3 is the design strength for the bolt. So minimum strength
Bearing chair.
मिनिमम बेरिंगचे 108 आहे बेरिंगची, मॅक्झिमम आहे बेरिंगची. सो मिनिमम स्ट्रेंथ
सर 45.7
Shear strength of bolt. Shear strength of bolt.
हा. सो मिनिमम स्ट्रेंथ इन shear, bearing and tensile. So design strength of bolt is equal to हा कशाची कमी आहे?
Shear strength of bolt.
बोल्ट कमी आहे.
हा शिअरची कमी आहे. सो आणि हाऊ मच दॅट व्हॅल्यू?
45.27.
7 kilonewton. So design strength of this bolt म्हणजे मिनिमम तो बोल्ट 45 और 45.27 किलोन्यूटन लोडला फेल होईल शियर मध्ये. तो पण शियर मध्ये 45.27 किलोन्यूटनला या जॉईंट मध्ये तो बोल्ट फेल होईल. दॅट इज द डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ. म्हणजे मिनिमम एवढाच लोड तो घेऊ शकतो. मॅक्सिमम 108 पर्यंत बेरिंगला घेऊ शकतो, टेन्साइलला 70 पर्यंत घेऊ शकतो, बट बेरिंग शियरला इट विल फेल इन दी at the 45 kilonewton load. So that is the design strength. Then step 7. Step 7. What is step 7? Calculate efficiency of joint. Efficiency of joint. That is, we can denote efficiency like this. So efficiency, how we can calculate? What is formula? We have seen design strength of bolt divided by strength of solid plate into 100. So design strength we have calculated earlier. So now we have to calculate here strength of solid plate first. So strength of solid plate is equal to what formula we have seen? What formula we have seen?
0.9 into Fu upon gamma m.
Gamma m1 into P into T. So again, you can here P is the pitch distance, correct? But you have to do one correction here. This P, we have to do one correction in this formula. N into P. Please do the correction. N into P. So what is N into P? I will tell you. N into P means so here so this is P, this is P. The meaning of N into P. What is meaning of N into P? N is number and P. So how many P's are there here? 2 P's are there. So 2 into we have to distance, multiply distance, P 45 or 50. Are you getting? किती number of pitch आहेत? Number of pitch. 3 bolt lines are there, 2 pitch are there. 4 bolt lines are there, 3 pitch are there. 2 bolt lines are there, only 1 pitch is there. दोनच लाईन असतील तर या ठिकाणी पिच किती असणार आहे? एक लाईन वाढवली की पिच किती झाले? 2. नेक्स्ट लाईन वाढवली की पिच किती झाले? 3. सो जेवढ्या नंबर ऑफ रोज आहेत वर्टिकल 1 2 3 4 असतील तर एक पिच कमी, 3 असतील तर एक पिच कमी, 2 झाले. 2 असतील तर सो कमीत कमी 2 असतील तेव्हाच पिच डिस्टन्स मिळणार आहे आपल्याला. ओके, सो हियर n into p. why n? n is the number, p is the value of pitch की जी मगाशी आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केली 50 mm लाईक दिस. ज्यावेळी नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स दिले असतील त्यावेळीच हा n तुम्हाला तिथे मिळतो. अदरवाइज ओनली 1 pitch घ्यायचा. ओके, दॅट विल सी इन दी आवर प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट. Okay, so write formula 0.9 into fu divided by gamma m1 into n into p into t. So here 0.9 into fu. How much fu? Fu is 410 divided by gamma m1 is again 1.25 into pitch n into p. आता या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट लाईन सांगितलेल्या नाहीत प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट मध्ये. सो यू हॅव टू राईट 1 ओनली. 1 into how much distance? pitch distance किती कॅल्क्युलेट केलं?
50.
50. So here 1 into 50 why I have written? लक्षात आलं का? तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ रोज वगैरे सांगितलेले नाहीत किती आहेत, किती रोज मध्ये बोल्ट आहेत हे सांगितलेलं नाहीये. सो वी हॅव टू यूज 1 ओनली हियर. And T, how much thickness of plate?
12.
12. So now calculate strength of plate. Strength of plate is again kilonewton because this 12 is mm, this 50 is mm, so mm square, and this 410 is the newton per mm square, so mm square get cancelled. बघा newton per mm square into mm, so this get cancelled, so answer will be in mm. How much this? 177, correct?
Yes, sir.
177.12. Okay, so write down everyone. Strength of solid plate. Got it, everyone? Or shall I go ahead? Okay, so now we have to calculate efficiency. So efficiency is equal to what? Design strength of the bolt. How much design strength of the bolt? 45.27 divided by 177.12 into 100. So how much this?
25.
20,
25.50.
55. It means design strength of the bolt is a 25.55. म्हणजे shear मध्ये हा सगळ्यात लवकर फेल्युअर होत आहे. सो efficiency is 25.55%. So in this way we can calculate the load carrying capacity of the we have calculated load carrying capacity of the lap joint by given data. Okay. Okay. So over. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having difficulty in this problem? Okay. So now we will move towards the example number 2. Example number 2. Okay. So write down everyone. Calculate the strength. Calculate the strength of a 20 mm diameter 20 mm diameter bolt of grade 4.8 of grade 4.8 for following cases. Next line. The main plate to be jointed. The main plate to be jointed are 12 mm thick. Full stop. Next line, small a. Single cover butt joint, comma, the cover plate being 10 mm thick. Two cases are given. We have to solve this problem for two cases. In second, double cover butt joint, comma, each of cover plate being 8 mm thick. So we have to see this example and we have to find out the design strengths for this joint. So which joint is given in this problem segment?
Butt joint.
Butt joint is given, but for the two cases. Case 1 is for the single cover butt joint and case 2 is for the double cover butt joint. It means two cases, two types of problem we will cover in the one problem. Okay. So now you can write the given data. So D or D naught is given. How much? 20 mm is given. Then grade of bolt is given. That is 4.8 is given. So for 4.8 grade bolt, how much FUB?
420.
420 Newton per mm square. So now many of students having difficulty in this. कुठं आहे, कसं आहे? Now who tell me this answer? Told me this answer. You have find from where? तुम्ही कुठून find out केले हे?
IS कोड आहे माझ्याकडे सर.
हा, on which page number they have given? This grade of bolts are given in IS code.
सर तुम्ही त्याचा टेबल काढला होता, त्याचा आम्ही एसएस काढलाय.
काय काढलंय?
काढलाय.
स्क्रीनशॉट काढलाय त्या टेबलचा.
हम्म.
ओके, ठीक आहे. त्या स्क्रीनशॉट मध्ये आहे, IS कोड मध्ये पण आहे.
Yes, sir.
हा. So you have to go bolted connections page number. You have to go. I think 2021 nearby page number असेल त्या ठिकाणी. 20 ते 30 च्या याच्यामध्ये. So this for this particular grade they have given this value, ultimate tensile strength of bolt. Then single cover plate. Single cover plate having thickness. How much T is given for single cover plate? So sorry, single cover butt joint. जिथे सिंगल कव्हर आहे तिथं किती mm ची दिलेली आहे? 10 mm थिकनेस दिलेली आहे. आणि डबल कव्हर जिथं आहे, डबल कव्हर प्लेट हॅव्हिंग T is equal to 8 mm दिलेलं आहे. T is nothing but thickness, so need not to write here. And main plate thickness is 12 mm. So here one thing they have not given. Which thing they have not given? Anyone can tell me? Which thing? What they have not given?
Ultimate tensile strength.
A few values not given. It means what they have not given? They have not.
Ultimate tensile strength of plate is not given.
It means what? Tensile strength, ultimate tensile strength, FU is, it means what they have not given. We are calling grade of bolt. Similarly, they have not given what? Grade of
Steel.
so assume grade of steel. Assume grade of steel Fe410. Fe410 आपण assume करू. Generally Fe410 मार्केटमध्ये अवेलेबल आहे, तेच यूज करतो. एखाद्या ठिकाणी जिथं हाय स्ट्रेंथ रिक्वायर्ड आहे त्या ठिकाणी डिपेंड्स अपॉन दी रिक्वायरमेंट 440, 550 स्टील they are using. So here we have assumed. So you have to assume this way. जर दिलं नसेल तर गरज आहे म्हणल्यावर that we have to assume. In the problem statement they have not given. So you have to write here assume grade of steel. As an civil engineer you have this requirement for the assumptions. So assumptions are there. So assume grade. So other students can assume Fe440. So your problem will be there and other student problem will be there. जर 450 एखाद्याने 440 केलं आणि एकाने जर 410 केलं तर your calculations will be different. नॉट रॉंग बट डिफरंट. जी ग्रेड यूज कराल त्याच्यावरून त्याच्या स्ट्रेंथ मिळतील. आर यू गेटिंग? सो नथिंग wrong, but you have to assume as your own. So we have assumed that. Okay, so everyone has written this. Shall we go ahead? So this is the given data. So now follow the procedure. So step 1, but before step 1, we have to give here two conditions, or sorry, two cases. It means we have to consider case 1 first. So case 1 we have to consider first, and that case 1 is the single cover butt joint, the cover plate being 10 mm thick. So for first case we have to find out the strength. For second case also we have to find out the strength. Okay, so now follow procedure. So now step 1. What is step 1? Calculate diameter of bolt hole, that is DH. So again, DH is equal to D naught plus
2.0.
2.0. Why D naught plus 2.0? Because our bolt diameter between 16 to 24, 20 mm diameter we have used. म्हणजे तो कशाच्या मध्ये आहे? 16 पासून 24 च्या मध्ये आहे. So we have to add 2. So 20 plus 2, it means again 22 mm. This is the diameter of bolt hole. Then go ahead for step 2. Calculate pitch distance and edge distance. So pitch distance, P is equal to 2.5 D naught. So 2.5 into D naught is 20. It means again it will be 50 mm. 50 mm. Then similarly calculate edge distance. Edge distance is 1.5 into DH. So 1.5 into DH is a 22. So again it will be 33 mm. Because diameter is same. So this is depends on diameter. So whatever diameter we have used in the last problem, that diameter we have used here. So pitch distance and edge distance is the same. Okay, now we have to go for step number 3. Step number 3 is calculate.
सर स्केच राहिले.
सर
ठीक आहे.
फिगर
ठीक आहे, फिगर आपण आता या ठिकाणी काढू. जिथं कुठं गरज आहे फिगरची हो? वेअर इज रिक्वायरमेंट? N. Shear planes are very important. काढू आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला फिगर इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. जिथं गरजेची आहे त्या ठिकाणी फिगर यू हॅव टू ड्रॉ मस्ट. आता पाठीमागे काय गरज नव्हती, काढली असती तरी चालली असती, पण requirement is here now in step number 3. So calculate design shear strength of bolt. So that is VDSB is equal to N into ANB into FUB divided by gamma MB, correct? This is formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we can draw. So which type of joint is given?
Sir,
That
root
is
root
root,
3.
yes, root and under root 3. Good. So now butt joint is given. So butt joint means we are placing 2 plates of 12 mm. The diameter of these 2 main plates is a 12 mm. And case 1 is there. So what is case 1? Single cover. Are you getting? Single cover having thickness
10 mm.
10 mm. So this is the single cover plate is, and we can provide the number of bolts. Okay. Now here N is required. So how much N is here?
One.
1.
How much N is there? Only 1. 2 plates are main 2 plates are in 1 row and 1 cover plate is provided, single cover. So only plane will be the 1. एकाच प्लेन मध्ये ते फेल होतात. So here N is a 1. Are you getting? N is a 1. Okay. So N is equal to 1. Calculate A and B. So A and B is equal to again 0.78 into pi by 4 into d square. So 0.78 into pi by 4 into d is a 20. So again same area 245.04 mm square. Net area of bolt is again same with the last problem. Okay, so now calculate shear strength. So N is 1 into ANB is 245.04 into FUB is here 420 divided by under root of 3 gamma MB is 1.20. So tell me shear strength.
.53 into 10 raised to 3 Newton.
Into 10 raised to 3 Newton, it means 47.53 kilo Newton. Got it, everyone? Are you getting? So easy, but you have to follow only procedure. If you go as per procedure, you will not get any difficulty. Okay, then next, step number 5. What is step number 5? Calculate design bearing strength. Design bearing strength of bolt. So that is VDPB is equal to.
Sir, step number 4 आहे.
Okay, step number 4 आहे का? Step number 4. 2.5 times KB into D into T into FU divided by under root of gamma MB. Okay, so calculate KB first. So calculate KB. How to calculate KB? So KB is equal to, it is a list of E divided by 3D naught, P divided by 3D naught minus 0.25, FUB divided by FU and 1. So out of this 4, so here E is 33 divided by 3 into 20. Then P is 50 divided by 3 into 20 minus 0.25. Then 400 divided by, 420 divided by
101.
410 and 1. So this is again 0.55. This is again 0.58, correct? This is how much this 420 divided by 410?
1.02.
1.02. 1.025. And this is 1. So out of these 4, whichever is less,
0.
First one, 0.455.
so 0.55 is the value of KB. So just minute. Okay, so we have to go next. So now VD PB is equal to 2.5 times into KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma MB. So now 2.5 into KB is a 0.55 into D is diameter 20. Now here T, how much T we have to use? This is 12, this is 10.
12.
Which thickness we have to use? 12. Why?
मेन प्लेट आहे ते.
Main plate.
Okay. Correct, main plate आहे. But the thickness of this plate is again 10
10
mm. 10 mm is less than this 12. So which will fail?
10 mm लवकर फेल होणार सर.
MM लवकर fail.
So as I told you, ज्यांनी मला 12 आन्सर दिलं ते करेक्ट आहेत, कारण का मी तुम्हाला तसं बोललो होतो की मेन प्लेट ही इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, पण कधी इन दी लॅब जॉईंट मध्ये मेन प्लेटच ह्या दोन असतात. बट कव्हर प्लेट मध्ये, इन कव्हर प्लेट आता डबल चेअर मध्ये पण आपल्याला अजून एक कंडिशन यूज करायची आहे, ती पण सांगतो तुम्हाला. So here in this case we have to use least value टी ची कोणती आहे या केस मध्ये, तर ती 10 mm आहे, इवन दो दिस इज दी कव्हर प्लेट. जरी कव्हर प्लेट असली तरी आपल्याला 10 इज दी लेस व्हॅल्यू. सो इनिशियली फेल दी कव्हर प्लेट. कव्हर प्लेट फेल झाल्यानंतरच तुमची मेन प्लेट पण फेल होणार आहे. सो वी हॅव टू टेक हियर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 10 हियर, इवन दो आय टोल्ड यू we have to take the thickness of main plate. मेन प्लेटची जरी थिकनेस घ्यायची मी बोललो असलो तरी पण we have to change this statement because the which thickness of plate will fail initially, ज्याची थिकनेस कमी आहे ती पहिल्यांदा फेल होईल. सो हिअर वी हॅव टू टेक 10. लक्षात घ्या, ज्याची थिकनेस कमी आहे ते. आता डबल शेअर मध्ये पण, डबल कव्हर बट जॉईंट मध्ये तुम्हाला आणखी एक वेगळं स्टेटमेंट मी सांगणार आहे, दॅट वी विल सी ज्यावेळी ते येईल त्यावेळी. ओके, सो 10. वाय 10? बिकॉज मिनिमम थिकनेस दोन्हीतली कोणती आहे तर 10 आहे. सो दॅट वी हॅव टू टेक 10. देन FU इज 410 and gamma MB is 1.25. Calculate. Calculate fast. How much? 90.200.
90.200.
90.200 kilonewton is the bearing strength of this connection or bearing strength of this bolt. Okay. So today we will stop here, and the remaining part of this problem we will see in the next lecture. Okay, so wait. I will take attendance and then we will close.